Chapter 3, Inheritance and Variation. Transmission of characters from generation to generation is known as inheritance. Difference in the genetic characters is known as variation. Heredity is also known as inheritance. Chromosomes and mechanism of inheritance. Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics, born in Moravia in 1822, gives the mechanism of inheritance by using hybridization technique, that is inheritance of 7 traits in garden pea plant. In pea plant traits there are 2 types, dominant and recessive. In dominant, the shape of seed is round, color of seed is yellow, pod shape is inflated, pod color is green, flower color is purple, flower location is axial, plant height is tall. In the recessive, shape of seed is wrinkled, color of seed is green, pod shape is constricted, pod color is yellow, flower color is white, flower location is terminal, plant height is short or dwarf. Reasons for Mendel's success. His experiments were carefully planned and involved large sample. He also carefully recorded number of each type of plant. He selected garden pea plant for his experiment and introduced the concept of dominant and recessive. In chapter Inheritance and Variations, there are 3 main types, that is genetic terminology, Mendelism, neo-Mendelism, and the first we are going to learn genetic terminology. In genetic terminology, first is character, that is the features of the characters, example height of stem. And in the trait, the inherited characters like tall or dwarf. In factor, unit of hereditary, factor is the unit of heredity particle present which is responsible for inheritance. Gene is the segment of DNA that is inheritance or expression of character. Alleles or allelomorphs. Alleles are also known as allelomorphs, that is alternate forms of gene. Dominant allele which express its traits in heterozygous conditions only. Dominant is expressed in F1. Recessive allele which not express its its traits in heterozygous condition. It expressed in presence of another identical alleles, that is recessive, and recessive is not expressed in F1. Phenotype is the external appearance of the genetic of the individuals, and the genotype is the internal appearance of the individuals for any trait. Homozygous. Individual possessing identical alleles is known as homozygous, and it is given by big T and small t. Heterozygous, that is individual possessing contrasting alleles, is known as heterozygous, that is big T and small t. Pure line, individual or group of individuals which is homozygous or true breeding for one or more traits is known as pure line. Monohybrid, an individual or strain heterozygous for one specified gene is known as monohybrid. F1 generation is the first filial generation. Offspring resulting from cross mating of distinctly different parental types is known as F1 generation. F2 generation, that is second filial generation. Results of cross between 2 F1 individuals is known as F2 generation. Punnett square or checkerboard, that is the diagram used to calculate inheritance patterns. Homologous chromosomes, morphological, genetical and structurally essential identical chromosomes present in the diploid cells is known as homologous chromosomes. Backcross, cross of F1 progeny with any parents, example big T small t into big T or small t. Test cross of F1 progeny with homozygous recessive parent, example big T small t into small t. Phenotype ratio of offspring produced in F2 and subsequent generations, example 3 tall is to 1 dwarf is F2 phenotype ratio in monohybrid cross. Genotype ratio of the offspring produced in the F2 and subsequent generation, example 1 TT is to 2t big T small t is to 1 small t is F2 genotype ratio in monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross between parents differing in only one heritable trait is known as monohybrid cross. Cross between parents differing in two heritable traits is known as dihybrid cross.